Well, mag-i-share kayo si BFF. Pati sa picture taking, hindi na uhuli yan. Good evening to each and everyone. Thank you, paring Jim and Marie Denez, for your welcome. Warm welcome of Javi. To all the guests, friends, and relatives, especially those coming from 8 or more flight hours, thank you for being with us in this precious occasion. To Ken and Javi, congratulations and thank you for the honor and respect shown to us parents for waiting, biding for the right time with this wonderful ceremony. Before I proceed, let me first give a little tip or sermon. Siyempre, kailangan may sermon. Kasi tatay eh. My beautiful and understanding wife and I will be celebrating our 38th anniversary this June 18. Parang forever yun na. What's the secret of the 38? Very simple. From Monday to Friday, I see to it that she is always right in all the decisions and arguments. And from Saturday to Sunday, she always sees to it that I am always wrong. A happy wife, sabi nga ni paring Jim, happy life. And sabi ni paring Phil. But kidding aside, I have to say this. Married life is not always a bed of roses. It has its ups and downs. So to make it last, you've got to have a certain guide. And here you can use the guide of the 7 rings of marriage. So not working, okay na yung binigay mo na engagement at saka wedding. Yung 5, you have engagement, you have wedding, and then you have the 3rd, which is discovering. After the marriage, it could come up immediately or some other time, but most likely it will. There are negative things. As I've said, it is not a bed of roses. So with that discovering comes the 4th ring, which is suffering. Okay? Well, with that, there are 2 options. You can back out, or if you follow the vows of marriage, you will tend to stick it out. And there comes the 5th ring, which is persevering. Okay? With dialogue, prayers, and patience, you can achieve the 6th ring, which is prospering. To finally proceed to the 7th ring, which is offering the partnership to God, making Him the center of your married and family life. With family, there will still be a lot of challenges. Financials, raising kids, etc. But with you as partners and God at the center of your family, you can easily hurdle these concerns and be on top of any family situations. And finally, you can easily say that marriage may not always be a bed of roses, but it is the only bed I would like to sleep and rest till time shall be no more. Before I end. Jay, what happened?
Yan talaga.
Ay, intermission mo na. Dance mo na. Okay.
Embarrassing moment.
Before I end, I would like to make special mention. I cannot but say this, and big thanks to Paring Phil, Maring Dina, and Maring Bernie, who acted as parents, good friends, guide, advisor, drinking, and eating buddies of Javi while we are so far away in the Philippines. Guys, you don't know how much peace of mind you have given Lola and I and the family, knowing somebody can take of her if anything happens, especially during the COVID time. Thank you so much. To Javi, when you were growing up, as they say, and we all know, you are a crybaby. A crybaby, but makulit and sweet. We have a swing in the house that can sit four, because up there are 4 kids. The 3 of them are sitting in the swing, enjoying the swing. Where is Javi? At the top of the swing. She is hanging at the bar. That's the way she enjoys the swing. Makulit but sweet. There was one birthday of mine I will never forget. Very small kids. Javi and now Dr. Joseph. They came to me. Javi said, she's the older one. Daddy, happy birthday. What gift do you want? Anong gusto mong regalo? Muntik na ako mapahiya. Imagine little girls asking me what gift I want for my birthday. And then here comes Excel, your MC, and Ben, who came to me also, and then said, Daddy, happy birthday. Saan ka mag-blow out? Natuloy na ako napahiyak. Boys will be boys. Para nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanila. But kidding aside, Javi, from a makulit and cry baby, I am so proud of the woman you have become. In fact, I just realized you are more courageous and brave than I am. If you will still remember, after setting you up for school here in Macquarie, and there was a COVID scare on the eve of our departure back home. I sent you a long message in this essence. If you want to go back with us to the Philippines, I can understand. Never mind the expenses, time, effort, headaches we had incurred. And in Macquarie, I cited loneliness, risk, missing us, and we missing you, etc., etc. Actually, I was the one scared. But you decided to stay and follow your dreams. Sa sobrang tigas ng ulo mo, nag-volunteer ka pa as COVID ambassador in your school. Oh my God. Muntik kang himatayin ang nanay mo. As they say in the popular dance, Praise the Pilipinas, hawak mo ang beat. You are in control. Congratulations. You have shown courage, determination, focus, and intelligence. Namana mo yata kay Mami Lota. Kaya pala pareho kayong licensed certified public accountants. One of the most difficult exam to hurdle. Sa akin, wala. Mukhang namana mo lang yung good looks at saka humility. At least, dalawa yung namana mo sa akin. Now I can be at peace. I have peace of mind knowing you can fly and decide best on your own. And to Ken,